What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I'm in the car right now, but I'm on my way to go pick up one of my friends. We are going to lunch today at this restaurant called Abba Chicago. I've been a few times and I absolutely love this restaurant, y'all. The food is like a Mediterranean style and cuisines. So I wanted to take my friend there so that we can catch up. We haven't seen each other in a little bit and she's never been there, and we like to go out to eat together sometimes. So I thought this would be nice to introduce her to this new restaurant. But it's raining a little bit right now. I'm about to put the camera up so I can focus. So I'm gonna take her there, and if she's comfortable being on the camera, I'll introduce her to you all so that you can meet her. But other than that, I will see y'all when I get to the restaurant. Oh, also, as you can see, I have a new Locstyle. This is a no retwist Locstyle that I just did. I have some lock knot bangs and, you know, a cute half up, half down style. But if you want to see how I accomplish this style, I did share a tutorial, so you can check that out. That's my most previous video. You can check that out and then come back to watch this vlog. But y'all, I absolutely love how it came out. Get a nice workout in, but I'm not gonna go to the gym today. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, honestly, I have not been feeling the gym lately, and I don't know if it's because like I've been going so consistently for like an entire year, every week. Don't inch up in here. I see what you're doing. Y'all, I told Rello he cannot come in my room right now because I'm finna work, and he keeps inching over. See, you distracted me, buddy. Come on now. I haven't been going to the gym lately like that because it has been like pretty redundant. And although I'm grateful for the work that I've put in at the gym and how phenomenal my body looks now, I feel like I've already reached my body goals for this year. And when I say that, I mean like I feel like I've gotten what I needed to gain from the gym already. So I just want to transition over to start doing some home workouts, especially during the winter season. I just want to switch it up for my body and for myself, my mental health as well, and also my emotional health. So one of the things that I didn't like when I would go to the gym is how overcrowded it would be, especially because it's Planet Fitness. And if you go to any gym, especially Planet Fitness, y'all know how it be so many people up in there. And I just didn't really vibe with the fact that like I didn't have that space to just be in solitude while I'm working out. The only time I had that opportunity was when I would wake up at 2 something in the morning to go to the gym. And that was taking a toll on my body because that's like way early in the morning and I'm being super active. I found myself taking morning naps and not being as productive in my work as I would hope to be. So I had to cut that out. And for these past few months, I've been trying to figure out what time is the best time for me to go so that it's not too many people there. And also so that I can just work out and not have to worry about like, just being in the presence of a lot of people, okay? And granted, it's not that I don't like people. I love people. But, I have my gym buddies and stuff. And when I see you, I say hi and everything like that. But I don't know. I don't know. If you're an introvert, you definitely understand. So I'm going to be using my resistant bands for my home workouts because I'm at a point where I'm trying to basically maintain and tone and also to look very nice and lean. So I was talking with my brother and he was telling me, like a lot of resistant training and isometrics is what will be super helpful for you. So that's what I'm going to be doing now until further notice. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I just got back from the store getting some little gifts to put in my mom's Christmas stocking. As you may know, I'm not huge on holidays, but she has expressed that she really wants to like be in the season's greetings this year for Christmas. So I told her that I would participate in the things that she want to do just to make her happy. And she's currently out of town right now, but she had mentioned before how she wanted us to decorate our doors. Like, oh my God. I'm like, okay, mom, whatever. But I'm going to surprise her and decorate her door for her. So when she get back from out of town, she will come and see it. So that's what we about to do right now. All right, y'all. Here is the finishing touches of my mom's door. How do y'all think I did? Comment down below. Her theme this year is Winter Wonderland, but I also wanted to tie it in with her floral. And I added some little minor details, like, where's it at? These little stickers. There's a deer. It's a Christmas tree. And like a snowflake right here. And I just scattered those all over. And I have this cute snowflake right there. I kind of wish I didn't put that here first so that this could lay flat. And I tried to peel it off, but it was ripping the wrapping paper, so I just left it like it is. But other than that, I put the shimmer trimming around the door. But yeah, we'll see if she likes this.
Oh, nice.
Mom, well, they know you already seen it.
Oh,
I just want you to
don't
give
put
your
me off
reaction.
like that.
I just want you to give your reaction.
I love the door. It's so Christmassy. I love everything about it. The little touches, the sweet little touches you put on here with the deer. Very nice. Very, very nice.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you too. All right. Okay.
Peace.
Bye. And cut. Okay, y'all. So we are actually... Oh, did I show y'all the Christmas tree? Oh, I decorated the Christmas tree. Let me show y'all. And this is rare, FYI. But I did this. Okay. So it's kind of leaning a little bit up there, the star, but y'all get the gist. Here's some personal ornaments to represent everyone. Well, not everyone in the family, but people who are here for Christmas. That's mine, of course. It's a cute little gingerbread lady. And y'all, even Rello has a cute little ornament. And speaking of Rello, I'm gonna let him open up one of his gifts so he can stay occupied while we're doing our thing. But other than that, y'all, I'm excited. I'm gonna show y'all our little movie snacks and everything so you can see what we gonna be eating on tonight. It's, Mom, it's on a timer.
Huh?
They're on a timer.
Oh, okay.
I just put them in the oven. I said it takes about 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna I'll show you our snacks and stuff, and then we're gonna vibe out. But Jen, go get your snacks. I got you some Cheetos if you want some. Y'all, Jen is feeling away because he has his matching PJs on too. It is so funny, but I love it. These are memories, you know what I mean?
Dude, she got your present.
Look.
Watch her try to tail.
This is a chew toy that smells like beef jerky.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Here.
It's not gonna be no residue, right? No red.
There you go.
Oh. You got plastic on it, Jay?
It's not something he can tear apart or anything
I thought
like
it was
that.
like for him to chew and eat.
No.
You know, took it
so we're about to enjoy our movie night. There go General. There go Dawn. We're about to enjoy our movie night. So I will check in with y'all in the next video, which will be in 2024. So have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.
Sayonara.
Adios.